In this guide, I'll show you how to update your AMD graphics drivers. So from your desktop, you want to go down to the search bar, and once you're here, type in AMD, and you should see the AMD software Adrenaline Edition. Now, if you don't, no worries, I'll show you how to get that. But once you open it up, you should see in the top right corner, driver and software, and this will show your current version, as well as the newest version that you can install. Now, it may also say check for updates down here. All you have to do is click on that, and it'll tell you if you have to download something. So once you see install, click on install. Then it's going to do a quick scan of your computer to figure out what you need to install, and just give it a few moments. Then it should show you your current graphics card right here, as well as the new install. And if you're okay with everything, just select install. So if you didn't have the AMD software pre-installed on your computer, all you want to do is go to Google and type in AMD drivers update, and you can search for it. And then you want to select this link at the top from AMD. Then if you scroll down, you'll have the option to download the Windows drivers or Linux drivers, and you can also customize your search by looking for your exact graphics card. Me personally, I recommend you just select this one at the top. Now, when you do this, a download should begin on your web browser, and you just want to wait for it to finish and then run the program. Now, once the program's begun, you just want to follow through these prompts to install the AMD software. Now, once that's finished, it's going to show your current graphics card, and here you have to select yes or no if you want to contribute to data collection. I'm just going to go to no, and then go to next. And then you just want to click on install. Now, during the installation, you may get different prompts depending on your setup. However, once you complete the setup, you should be able to open up this AMD software and install the latest version if you need one. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.